Right, so one of the great privileges of being the chair of the Biotechnology Group is that for at least a small period of time you become custodian of our annual award. So this is the Felix Medal, which is awarded every year to a leading practitioner in biotechnology. And as ever, the standard of applications for this award, which is funded thanks to a generous donation from the Felix family, was of an incredibly high standard. So every year we get an incredible array of applicants, both from industry and academia. 2025 is really no different, and it was a real challenge for us to make a decision as to the successful awardee for this year. However, we're delighted to announce this year's winner, is Martina from the University of Milan. And what really struck us when we saw Martina's application documentation was not only the kind of depth of research that she'd undertaken throughout her career, which is taken in Dublin, Nottingham and Bern, amongst other places, but also really the breadth of areas that she'd worked on in the kind of biotechnology space. It was really a kind of tour de force in applications applied to different areas. I should say that we didn't get there first, so Martina has also been the successful winner of the 2022 Chem Award and also a JSD Fellowship in 2023. So with that, it gives me great pleasure to welcome Martina to give the 2025 Felix Franks Award lecture. Over to you. Thank you. So with that, before we break for lunch, it gives me great pleasure to award you, Martina, with the 2025 Felix Franks Award on behalf of the Royal Society of Chemistry and the Franks family. Many congratulations.
It's an honor for me to receive it, and